What a peaceful day. I hope everyone in the forest is happy.
Freedom, please, someone help me.
Oh no, who did this to you?
A wicked magician cursed me. I can only be free if someone with a pure heart feeds me.
Then I will help you.
The fruit is at the top, but the tree is too high.
I wish I could fly again.
I will give you my magic. Fly again, my friend.
I can fly again! Thank you, Sera! The magic, it's breaking!
You're free now.
You gave me freedom and my voice back. I will tell everyone about your kindness.
We are friends forever.
Thank you for watching our magical story. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.